So inflammatory causes of edema. And what is edema? Edema is simply that accumulation of what? Fluid in the body. Alright? So edema could also be caused by inflammation. Edema could be caused by obstruction. Edema could be caused by an infection and different other things. Alright? So here we are just trying to look at the inflammatory causes. So the inflammatory causes of edema are actually what? Subdivided into acute inflammation and what? Chronic inflammation. So once you already know the definition of edema, we are just simply trying to talk about this inflammation as a possible cause. All right. So no need to actually still go in there talking about edema and all that. All right. So one of the first example under inflammation is what? Acute inflammation. We said that anything that is acute, that means the thing actually happened within a short period of time. So it was actually rapid. All right. So acute inflammation is what? A rapid and intense response of the body's immune system to a tissue damage. All right. So it's either the body is responding to tissue damage, the body is responding to infection, or the body is responding to what? Irritation. All right. So it is actually what? A natural defense mechanism. The body is trying to defend itself. All right. But it then actually has what? An effect on you. All right. So it's actually aiming to protect the body from further harm. It is aiming to eliminate the cause of the injury or infection. Then it is aiming to what? Initiate a healing process. All right. It's aiming to start a healing process, right? So you can see this is what? Acute inflammation, where the body is responding to what? Maybe allergic reaction, chemical irritant, infection, traumatic injury, burns, or anything. So this response, as it is rapid, it could lead to what? Accumulation of fluid, all right, resulting to an edema. Then chronic inflammation now. We say that anything that is chronic has been there for a while. So chronic inflammation is what? A long-term, persistent inflammatory response that lasts for months or even years, right? So it is a maladaptive response that can lead to tissue damage and contribution to what? Various disease conditions, right? So chronic inflammation too could be a possible cause of what? Edema, which is accumulation of fluid in the body. All right. So this is how inflammation can cause edema.